In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account in a super simple way. So if you're looking for a break from social media but don't want to delete everything permanently, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app or go to the Facebook website on your browser. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to deactivate. Now, tap on this three-line menu from top left corner. Scroll down and find Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Then tap on Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for Accounts Center. This is where Facebook manages your account details. Now tap on Manage Accounts. From here, click on this Manage option. Now tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now select the account which you want to deactivate. Select this option, then tap on Continue. Now enter your Facebook password and tap on Continue. After that, you'll be asked for a reason. Just select any reason that fits you or choose This is temporary if you're just taking a break. From here, you can also set a time for auto reactivation or simply choose the option Don't auto reactivate if you don't want your account to come back automatically. Now tap on Continue. Now finally tap on Deactivate My Profile. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now deactivated. This means your profile is hidden, but your data is still safe, and you can come back anytime by simply logging in again. If you want a permanent option, then comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.